what's it exciting for you and for VCs to invest in within AI, and maybe what's less exciting?
Yeah, I mean, I think if you look at the AI world, there are different layers, right? You have the foundational models, you have the tools that are used to basically make it easier for companies to use these models. So companies like Scale, Vercel, Longchain, Hugging Face, Fireworks, etc. Then on top of that, you have the AI application who are leveraging existing model and, building product workflow on top of it, to make this product deliver the value required in their specific field. So we're basically looking at all the three part, of this stack. And obviously on the foundational model side, it's much harder to create this company because they need a lot of capital. So we probably don't expect a lot of new companies to emerge. I mean, we are seeing right now, companies that are starting, who would like to build, foundational model for tabular data. So we're seeing, some specialized models that are starting to be built. But overall, I would say that that's not where we expect the biggest, the largest growth in terms of number of companies. Still, I think it will be a big pool of capital. And then you have the tooling and apps, which we're, spending a lot of time right now, especially on the app layer where, all companies are being created right now. They're AI first, and they want to disrupt the incumbents, right? The traditional software company. And the question is, are they going to succeed or not? And I think that's going to depend on specific sector, right? I mean, if you look at CRM and you say, I want to be the AI first CRM, I think that's going to be more challenging to displace Salesforce, right? Which before all of the systems of record, like these are very hard to switch, and Salesforce is going to be working on adding its AI feature, and probably that's going to be good enough, most likely. In other areas, there are areas where actually being AI first is going to give this company like a very strong advantage. I mean, if you look at Synthesia, for example, which is turning, any text or content into an engaging video with an avatar, that is radically changing the paradigm of content production for companies. So we think that this is a space where actually an AI first approach makes a lot of sense. So we'll have to see how that play out, but I think the next few years will be kind of this this friction between the AI first company that will want to try and achieve dominance and the legacy player who are going to try to incorporate this model and stay relevant.